Talking about web development and teaching stuff in theory, that is one thing. But you want to build something, you want to see what you're learning. You want to build something where you can say, yeah, I learned that and now I'm able to build that. So throughout this course, we'll have a lot of smaller examples where I'll showcase individual concepts or pieces of the Laravel framework that are important. But we'll also have two major projects throughout this course. The first project will be a quotes app, a quotation app, where you will be able to write quotes under your name, post them on a website where everyone will be able to see those quotes. You will therefore be able to see quotes of other people, where you'll be able to click on people to filter for them or for quotes posted by them, and where we will have a lot of content management stuff going on that will really be something you'll encounter every day when working as a web developer. Additionally, we'll expand this example by adding email support so that you're able to enter your email address and you'll automatically receive an email with a callback link to register, for example. So that's a very complex project that already includes a lot of things you'll use throughout your everyday work. Now, the second project will be even bigger. We will build a complete blog. And if I say complete blog, I mean complete blog. We're not going to stop at the front end and say, yeah, our posts, they come from this source, or let's take these dummy content. No, we're going to build the backend as well, so that you have an administration area where you can create posts, edit posts, delete posts, view them obviously, have a list of all your posts. You can create categories and attach those categories to the post. You can then detach those categories. You can create new categories, delete categories. You will have a chance to, on the front end, fill out a contact form, which will send a notification email to the site host and a confirmation email to you who wrote the contact form or filled out the contact form. In the back end, you'll have a chance to see a list of all received contact messages, to view them there, to delete them. So really a lot of stuff, very feature-rich blog we're going to build here. And I'm very excited to receive your feedback and to see what you're building and doing there. Because that, as I said, with the quote apps, is even more true for the blog app. It uses and it includes a lot of things. Seriously, a lot of things that you'll encounter in your everyday work that will make it very easy for you to solve different tasks required by you. Actually, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to just reuse some of the code in actual projects you're going to face. So that's what we're going to build throughout this course, where we will learn and exercise the things we learn about Laravel, the tools we have in Laravel. And I'm very excited to get started and build all those fun projects with you.